Welcome to Matthew YouTube channel. In this class, I am explaining about angle between two curves. Already you know what is meant by a curve. Okay. C1 and C2 are two curves. T1 and T2 are two tangents. Those two tangents passing through these two curves are touching at P. Forming an angle between them is theta. That is angle between two curves. Okay. We want to know about theta now. That angle will be two types. Number one is acute angle. Number two is obtuse angle. Sometimes may be happen acute angle. Sometimes may be happen obtuse angle. Okay. So there are two types of angles are there between two tangents. Those are passing through these two curves. Okay. Now how to find the angle between two curves? Simply see here. C1 and C2 are two curves. Okay. C1 and C2 are two curves, and T1 and T2 are two tangents. Okay. T1 and T2 are two tangents, but these two tangents are passing through these two curves touching at a point P. Two tangents T1 and T2 are passing through the curves touching at a point P. So these two tangents are passing through these two curves touching at a point P, form an angle. That angle is called angle between two curves. But this angle is of two types. That one is acute angle or obtuse angle. Okay. So angles are two types. Angles are two types. Number one, acute. Number two, obtuse. Okay. In general, the angle between two tangents is acute angle. Yes. So in general, the angle between T1 and T2 is acute angle. Okay. Generally, the angle between T1 and T2 is acute angle. Suppose two curves are y is equal to f of x and y equals to g of x. These are two curves. These two curves C1 and C2 intersecting at a point P. Intersecting point of C1 and C2 is P. Okay. What are the coordinates of P? P is nothing but x0, y0. If m1 and m2 are slopes of two curves, suppose case 1, if m1 equals to m2, that means if both slopes are equal, then if m1 equal to m2, those two curves touch each other. In this case, two curves touch each other. Here m1 equals to m2 equals to 0. Okay, so m1 equals to m2 equals to 0. In the case of if m1 equals to m2, at that time those two curves touch each other. Okay, case 2, if m1 m2 equals to -1, in this case those two curves are perpendicular to each other. Here two curves are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so f1 into m2 equals to -1, then two curves are perpendicular to each other. Case 3, if m1 not equals to m2, that means those two are not touching with each other. Next one, m1 m2 not equal to -1, so m1 not equals to m2 and m1 not equal to -1, then in this case angle between two curves tan theta equals to m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2 under mod. Okay, this is the formula for angle between two curves when m1 not equals to m2 and m1 m2 not equals to -1. Okay, case 4, if either m1 equals 0 or m2 equals 0, either m1 equals 0 or m2 equals 0, then angle between the curves theta equals to tan inverse m1 or tan inverse m2. Okay, these are 4 cases. Depending on these 4 cases, we can do the problems regarding angle between two curves. Okay guys, this is simple introduction about angle between two curves. Practice this. These are very important for intermediate students and also for CBSE students. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share it. Thank you.